Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX and CMG on the daily weekly time frame. So PCLN seeing further downside. We have our double top right up at 1960 and 1961. And in order to maintain higher lows, the bulls have to hold 1923. They held that today, but the bears obviously have momentum with another lower high, lower low, close to a bearish MACD cross on the daily, favoring the bears. And we are looking at a pretty much a standstill make or break moment where we're either going to break 1923 and lose the daily higher lows, or the bulls are going to show back up, get into the 1940s, and be looking back up at 1960s resistance. A lot more likely to see a bear break than a bull break at this point, just because we're a lot closer to that support than we are to resistance. The weekly time frame was a bearish doji last week, and if we break 1923, we will be on our way to confirming that bearish reversal doji. NVDA on the daily, bull flag, and very strong close, highest close we have ever seen, and we're looking at all-time highs. But we had AMD earnings after hours. It was a bearish reaction, so NVDA is down about $1 after hours. Not a significant amount. Bulls will likely be able to shake that off, but definitely worth being aware of. Our new higher low is 195.80, and resistance is just the all-time high, 199.59. Weekly time frame still extremely strong. And again, I do believe that the bulls will be able to shake off this bearish reaction to earnings. Bulls are going to be looking to buy the dip of the sector leader. AMD has been the weakest of the three, referring to MU, NVDA, and AMD. It's been the weakest of the three, notably for the last couple of months. So I don't think that those earnings are going to have a significant impact on NVDA. Tesla, bears continue. We had an hourly oversold bounce. See bull move and top out at exponential resistance. And we also rejected from the hourly 20-period resistance on Tesla about 6 times today. Let's see if I got it right here. So Tesla on the hourly, high of the morning rejected from it. Then the candlestick that followed through couldn't close above it. Rejection, 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 rejection. Hourly 20-period resistance was our gauge of strength this morning to let us know if it was just a short-term oversold hourly bounce or if the bulls had more momentum behind it. They did not have more momentum behind it, and we've closed weak. Support is 336.16 and 331.28. Weekly time frame showing that follow through. I'm looking at this as a mini bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern with our left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and the neckline is right here, the left side of 331.85 and the right side of 331.28. Bears in full control of Tesla right now. Netflix bulls buying the dip off the daily middle Bollinger Band support and breaking the high of the last bounce attempt, which is a good sign for the bulls, 196.38. So bulls want to see a break of 196.74, the high of today, for continuation, to be looking up at 200 psychological resistance from here. And pretty solid candlestick with a lot of bull volume the second half of the day today. And the weekly time frame for Netflix is keeping the bulls in control, healthy consolidation, exponential supports are holding, potential bull flag on the weekly time frame. And if we can get back over 200, the bulls will be looking for a new all-time high. And last, we got CMG earnings bearish. So let's see where we stand. CMG down at 293, 294. So we are going to be testing support tomorrow. The weekly time frame, the lows that we saw were 295 and 296. Need to zoom out many years because if we break these levels, we have a lot of downside potential. After these levels, the next support I'm looking at is down at 266.02. So an all-out dump. This is going to end up being a bear flag thanks to earnings completely erasing the bull move. We'll see if they can hold 295 tomorrow, but if they can't, bears are back in full control on the weekly time frame of CMG. So that's where we stand as we head into tomorrow. Going to be watching NVDA to stay strong and stay within striking distance of the all-time high. And we'll see if the Tesla bears continue to see weakness as they are running the show. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow.